Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to use coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone, and before we start I would like to mention that not all items on AliExpress support such type of discounts using your coins. So let me show you on visual example how it should look like. I open item that does support such type of discounts, and I understand it by scrolling down a little bit, and I can see here extra 1% off with coins line. So some items on AliExpress do not have that. Let me show you how it looks. So for example, this item does not support this discount because here in the description I cannot see such line, and that means that for this item I will not be able to use my coins to get a discount. Okay, so let's go back to item that does support it, and I go to checkout page. Now I want to scroll down to summary, and I can see here saved line. And if I tap here, I can see that I have used 1 coin for this item to get my little discount. And if I tap here again, I can see an option: do not use any coins this time, but I will use my coins, of course, because I want to get my discount. So as you can see, I did absolutely nothing, and AliExpress automatically deducted coins to this specific item. And actually sellers decide themselves which amount of coins they can allow you, which amount of coins you can use to get a discount on their orders. So if I go, for example, for this item at the top, I can see that this item offers me extra 5% off with coins. So if I go to my checkout page, scroll down to saved section, I can see that I got 15 cents off, and AliExpress automatically deducted 15 coins to this order. So that's really nice save. And that were the main points on how to use coins on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.